It's Tim from Toy Tinker Tim. In this episode we're taking a look at a 1977 Oscar Goldman action figure from the $6 Million Man Kenner toy line. So the 1977 Christmas catalog price of $7.44 had him in line with the other figures from the $6 Million Man toy line. So other than his title and stylish business attire, it's that exploding briefcase that really caught everybody's attention. And the briefcase really sized more like a suitcase. Here's a look at the instruction sheet on how to safely open, reset, and activate the exploding feature. And if you'll note at the bottom of the sheet, instructions about handling the clothes. And we're going to come back to that point a little bit later on in this video. When I got this set originally, the briefcase was not functioning, it was broke. So I've got a link here in the video for the repair of that and how that was done. If the bad guys open the briefcase the wrong way, then boom, the case side blows off and the inside with all of its confidential materials are toast. But if you know the right way to open it, all the goodies are intact. Let's take a closer up look here, a view of the inside of the briefcase, the lid, the non-exploded version of it, and then the exploded, damaged version of it. And likewise, a look here at the lower half of the briefcase, the regular version, and then we go to the exploded, damaged, destroyed version of it. The little turn dial is the video scanner, and so it lets you spin through various scenes to help set up some different scenarios for some imaginative adventures. Inside the case, the side recess is meant to hold some of the secret files, mission files on Steve Austin and on Jamie Summers. And each one has its own set of different paperwork there. And then the case also holds a communication headset for Oscar to wear. So the little mini documents measure 1 1/4 by 1 3/4 inch. And I believe from what I've been able to find and see that I've got the full set of documents. It's 6 documents and the 2 file folders. And the headset has a fold-down mic piece there that's hinged on there with a antenna running up the side. So with all the little accessories like the papers, the headphones, the folders, and a working briefcase. One of the hardest things to find for this figure in this set is one that has a decent pair of pants where the knees aren't blown out in. In comparison to the rest of his outfit that we're going to take a look at, these pants are extremely thin and frail. I had a previous pair that was discolored, and when I tried to hand wash them in a small bowl, they literally disintegrated in the soapy water. Threads and bits of fabric began to float, and you can partially see through these. So don't get them wet and treat them with extreme care. They're very delicate. His brown vinyl loafers have a smooth sole to them, and the black socks, aside from the color, appear to be pretty much identical to the white style that the Steve Austin Bionic Man wears. Oscar's turquoise turtleneck here it's a pretty heavy, thick polyester material, and it's designed where the button snaps are to be worn on the back of the figure to keep a pullover appearance on the front. His sports jacket is a fairly heavyweight fabric as well. There's two scaled mock brown buttons on the front, and the jacket is held in place by two small snaps. There's a tag on the inside seam. It's talking about General Mills Fun Group, 1977. And there's a lot of stitching and detail in general on this jacket. As you look him over here, his body type is similar to the Steve Austin $6 Million Man figure. The arms here have the same attachment tab design in the shoulders that the $6 Million Man figure does as well. He doesn't have that bionic underwear like the $6 Million Man, that little circuitry design around the waist there. But otherwise, you can see it's pretty much in a like fashion of the Bionic Man figure. Scale comparison here we can see between the figures of Jamie, Oscar, and Steve, and how they were not made in a similar height. There is a lot of variation in there. Lots of accessories with this figure, including paper items, which means a lot of things to get lost, damaged, which increases value on complete figures now. That's it. That's a wrap. Taking a look at my 1977 Oscar Goldman here from the $6 Million Man Bionic Man line here from Kenner. Hopefully you enjoyed it and got to see some new parts or aspects here that you didn't know about the figure, maybe trying to track down some pieces for your figure if it's incomplete to see what you're looking for. So hit the like if you enjoyed it, share it with your friends. Remember to please hit the subscribe button to help the channel continue to grow, and thanks for watching.